The journey of America's favorite frozen dinner begins here, with thousands of pounds of premium wheat flour delivered fresh to our silos. To ensure a perfect crust every time, the flour is sifted through high-frequency vibrators to remove any clumps and ensure total purity.
Hydration is measured down to the milliliter, using chilled, purified water to control the temperature of the dough during the high-energy mixing phase.
Our proprietary blend of liquid yeast and pure vegetable oil is added next, providing the lift and the crispiness that defines a great crust. Powerful spiral mixers knead the dough for exactly 8 minutes, developing the gluten structure needed to support a heavy load of delicious toppings. Temperature is a critical variable. Our team monitors every batch to ensure the yeast activates at the perfect rate for a consistent rise. The massive dough batches are divided into manageable blocks, ready to be transformed from raw ingredients into the foundation of our pizza.
Time and humidity are our secret ingredients. The dough spends an hour in the proofing chamber, allowing the flavors to mature and the texture to soften.
The proof dough is gently rolled into a continuous sheet, maintaining the internal air pockets that will eventually become a light, crispy crust. A multi-stage rolling process ensures the crust has a consistent thickness across its entire width, from the center to the very edge.
Uniformity is key for even cooking. Our rotary cutters stamp out thousands of identical pizza bases every hour with zero waste.
We dock the dough to ensure a flat, even bake, creating small vents that allow steam to escape while the pizza is in your oven.
For our signature sauce, we start with the best vine-ripened tomatoes, cleaned and sorted by high-speed optical sensors. The tomatoes are milled into a rich pulp, retaining the natural juices and seeds that provide a complex, authentic flavor profile.
Our sauce is slow simmered in small batches, allowing the spices to fully infuse the tomato base for a deep, concentrated flavor.
Rapid cooling locks in the fresh flavor and prepares the sauce for high-speed application on the production floor. Precision nozzles apply the perfect amount of sauce, swirling it outward to ensure every bite is packed with tangy tomato goodness.
Even distribution is the secret to a professional bake. Our automated brushes smooth the sauce to a perfect, uniform level.
We use only premium, low-moisture mozzarella, shredded fresh seconds before it hits the pizza to ensure maximum meltability.
Our cheese waterfall station ensures total coverage, giving every pizza that satisfying, gooey cheese pull that consumers crave. Efficiency is built into the design. Any cheese that doesn't land on a pizza is instantly reclaimed and recycled back into the system.
High-speed slicers deliver thin, consistent rounds of spicy pepperoni, distributed evenly across the surface for a classic American look. Computer vision and Delta robots work together to ensure that no two pepperonis overlap, guaranteeing a perfect topping distribution on every pie.
For our supreme varieties, fresh vegetables are diced on-site to maintain their crunch and bright, natural colors through the freezing process. Our toppings are individually quick frozen at 40 below zero, locking in nutrients and preventing the ingredients from clumping together. Advanced multi-head weighers ensure that every supreme pizza has the exact ratio of meat to vegetables that our recipe demands. At peak capacity, this line produces over 10,000 pizzas per hour, fueled by American engineering and a passion for great food. A quick pass through an infrared oven par-bakes the crust, giving it that golden color and ensuring the toppings stay exactly where we put them.
We use laser-guided sensors to inspect the geometry of every crust, rejecting any that don't meet our gold standard for shape and size. To preserve the quality, the pizzas enter our state-of-the-art spiral freezer, where blast-chilled air drops the temperature to 0 degrees in minutes.
This rapid freezing process prevents large ice crystals from forming, ensuring the crust stays crisp and the toppings stay fresh after you bake them at home. Emerging from the freezer, the pizzas are now fully preserved and ready to be sealed in their protective packaging.
A high-clarity shrink wrap creates an airtight barrier, protecting the pizza from freezer burn and maintaining its flavor for months.
Safety is our #1 priority. Every single pizza passes through an ultra-sensitive metal detector before it reaches the final box.
Our packaging line is a marvel of speed, erecting and gluing hundreds of boxes every minute to keep up with the production flow. The pizzas are loaded into their iconic retail boxes with mechanical precision, ensuring no damage occurs to the delicate toppings. Full traceability is guaranteed by our inkjet coating system, allowing us to track every box back to the specific batch of flour it was made from.
Individual boxes are grouped into cases, prepared by heavy-duty industrial robots that never tire and never miss a beat.
Each case receives a unique digital identity, ensuring it can be tracked through our entire logistics network with a simple scan. Our palletizing robots build stable, uniform loads, optimizing the space inside our delivery trucks and reducing our carbon footprint.
The pallets are wrapped in high-strength film, securing the load for the long journey across the American highway system. The final documentation is attached, clearing the pallet for departure and signaling the end of its time on the production floor.
The finished goods are stored in our massive sub-zero warehouse, where the cold chain is strictly maintained 24 hours a day.
Our digital warehouse management system optimizes every inch of space, ensuring that our inventory is rotated and shipped with maximum efficiency. Our commitment to quality doesn't end on the line. Every day, we bake and taste hundreds of samples to ensure the perfect crunch and flavor.
We analyze the melt, the stretch, and the browning of the cheese, making sure it performs perfectly in your kitchen. Science meets cooking in our lab, where we measure the precise crunch factor of our crust to ensure a consistent dining experience.
Night and day, our logistics team coordinates a fleet of refrigerated trucks to deliver our pizzas to every corner of the country.
Before a single pallet is loaded, we verify that the trailer is at the proper temperature, protecting the cold chain from start to finish. It's a high-stakes dance of speed and safety, ensuring that our products get on the road as quickly as possible.
Once loaded, the trailers are sealed for security, guaranteed to remain unopened until they reach their regional distribution center.
Heading out onto the open road, our pizzas are on their way to fulfill the cravings of millions of busy American families.
At our regional hubs, the pallets are sorted and dispatched to local grocery stores, keeping the shelves stocked with the flavors people love.
Finally, our pizzas arrive at your local store, moving from our cold chain directly to your neighborhood frozen food aisle.
Freshly stocked and ready for you, our pizzas are the result of thousands of miles, hundreds of hands, and a commitment to quality.
It's the simple joy of a quick, delicious meal, a tradition of quality that we're proud to be a part of every day.
From our factory to your oven, the perfect pizza experience is just a bake away.
Modern technology, premium ingredients, and a passion for flavor. That's how we make America's favorite frozen pizza.